What's up, everybody? This is Noah for Noah Mission Adventures. Today, I'm reviewing called A Sorry Game. Stay tuned. Here's it look like in the back. Here's the maps. It comes with all these colors on there. So here, let's open it. And you have these cards. You see number 1. Here's all these. My favorite color is blue. There's so many colors. So I'm going to show you the map. The map looks so nice, but this is just a plastic map. And it comes with instructions. Here we are. So it show you the map. You've been waiting for it. So
these are the instructions.
Yep. And I'm going to show you the thing, what's it look like. So, last time we bought the Candyland, it's not a success. So Sorry Game would be better, yeah. So, let's go ahead and play this. Okay, I'm going to be blue, guys. Okay, I'm going to be blue. Okay, I hope I get Sorry because Sorry would take my mom back. So my turn first.
And I'm assuming that I'm going to be the yellows. So of course, I'm going to put all my yellows
what?
on.
What? No. Nope, I won a 1. Your turn, Mom. What do you get?
Can't go, it's a 5.
What? That's a 5? No. My turn again. No. My turn again. No. Your turn. No. Yeah! I got mine. Yeah. Now I could go. Now I could get out. Yeah. Your turn, Mama. Okay. Ha. Oh, 3. 1, 2, 3. This game is so fun, huh, guys? I hope my mom don't get. No! Oh no!
1.
Oh no! My turn. I hope I get Sorry because Sorry's my favorite. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh yeah. Oh, I have to slide first. There we go.
Mama just got a Sorry, so now. Your turn.
My turn again. No, your turn, Mama.
So now I got a 7.
Mom.
1.
Hey, Mom.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I'm going to choose the bottom one. Yay!
No, that's cheating. You can't do that. That's cheating.
Wow. Now I'm going to pick that thing when I choose.
Nope, you can't do that because that's cheating.
So I got that thing. So that looks nice. So I have to choose the bottom one because I cannot choose on top. Because there's no 1 on the top. Okay. Your turn, Mr. Mama.
And I got a 2.
Aw.
Which is
Sorry.
Your turn.
Sorry. Aw, 4. 1, 2,
Can't go.
3, 4.
Yep.
Oh yeah, I could go.
Okay.
Your turn, Mr. Mama.
Turn the card over for Mommy.
Okay.
Mama got 5.
Aww.
So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Noah's turn.
My turn. Sorry. Do I get Sorry, guys? Oh no, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yep. Is it right here?
Yep.
Okay, thanks, Mom.
Now go ahead and turn the card over for Mommy.
Okay. I hope you don't get Sorry. Aw.
What is it?
Aw.
It's a Sorry. Thank you, Manoa.
Mommy!
Sorry.
Mommy, give me the other one.
Okay, you go.
I don't want want to go. I can't go because.
Pick a card.
No, I need the one. I hope there's another one.
I'm gonna pick a card. Mama's got 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Nice try, Mama.
Yeah, it's Noah's turn.
My turn. Nope, I want a 1.
Turn one over for Mommy.
Okay. Aw.
And I got 1, so I got 1 at home. Noah's turn.
Now I cannot go. I cannot win.
You got 7.
No.
Go one more for Mommy. What is that?
7.
Got a 7.
My turn.
1, 2.
No,
3,
I cannot
4,
go.
5,
I need a
6,
1.
7.
No. No.
Hey, that's my turn. Hold on a second.
Here you go.
Got 12.
My
Move
turn?
mine 12.
Okay.
1. Wait.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Nope,
9,
nope.
10. I think you cannot go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Put it right there.
No.
Put it right there by the...
Right here?
Keep going. All the way down.
Oh, right here?
Down. Down. Right there.
I'm gonna be losing. Oh. Guess what? When you choose this card, you will put somebody back. Because I'm gonna put Mom back. Ha 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 ha. That you get Mom to. That you get Mom to put mine back, and I put your back. Ha ha ha.
Okay.
Ha 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 ha. Now you cannot get out. You have 1 out. Ha ha ha. So I hope I get 1 because I like to get 1. Because
So that goes like that.
so guess
And this one goes right here.
so it's time to do this. And this.
Got a 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Noah's turn.
Oh yeah. Nope. I will not
10.
go.
Move mine 10 spaces. Count.
1,
1, 2,
two.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nope.
We're here.
Right there. Okay, your turn.
I never not go again.
Count 10 for Mommy.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Nope. Go back one. Right there. 10.
Oh, my mom have 1. I have 0.
Now go ahead and push your card back. Go pick a card.
Aw. I have 0.
Nope.
I have 0 points.
Go 3 spots for Mommy.
1, 2, 3.
Slide. Whee. Now pick a card.
My mom have 2 points. I have 0. I have to catch up. No, I cannot go. I still have 0.
Go 3 for Mommy.
I still have 0.
Go
1,
2,
2,
3.
3, 4, 3. Oh.
Pick a card.
Okay. Oh no, I'm gonna catch up, guys. I hope I don't.
And I got a 1, so I get to go out. Noah's turn.
No, this game is impossible.
Okay, we're gonna shuffle the cards.
I have 0 points. I'm gonna catch up, guys.
Let's shuffle the cards. Okay, Noah's turn.
1, 1, 1. Is this 1? Oh no, 3. Mommy,
Now Mama's gonna do the card.
we.
Mama's got a 1.
Hey, I wish I had this card. Oh,
Now it's Noah's turn.
don't worry, I will catch up. Oh no, no cheating. Oh, Oh. Nope, I can't go.
Mama's turn.
Your turn, Mr. Mom.
Can't go. Mama's turn.
I have to catch up.
Okay, 12.
I won. 1.
3, 4, 5, 6,
1,
7,
1.
8, 9,
1,
10,
1,
11,
1.
12.
1. Oh no. I have to catch up. I still have 0. My mom had 3 points.
Got 11. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
My
8,
mom
9,
had
10, 11. So now it's
my,
Noah's turn.
my mom had 4 points. I had 0. No, I can't go. I have 1 last time, but
11.
you remember that game last? You remember that game last time, guys? I win. I'm gonna win just like that.
11.
My turn. 1. This is 1, guys.
Nope.
Oh no.
That's a sorry. Now you gotta put your man over there where I was.
Huh?
You take one of your men
Yay!
and put it where I was.
Yay! Now I have to win right here.
Noah's turn.
My turn. Oh, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
And slide.
Slide right here.
Turn over a card for mommy.
Okay. I don't know what is it. 7.
Nope, mommy can't go. Your turn, Noah.
Okay. No, I cannot go. There's no. Oh, there's no 1.
And guess what? I just got a sorry, so Noah goes back to the home.
No!
That one you picked. You're only supposed to pick 1 card. So your turn. Go again.
Oh, yeah!
Turn over a card for mommy.
Yay! Now I can decide to win. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. Turn one over for Noe.
My turn. It's 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Okay. Turn over the card. 12. Do 12 for mommy.
Okay, I don't know how to count to 12, but okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
That's where it goes.
Great counting, everyone! My turn again. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I forgot.
Okay. Pick another card.
Okay. I have to get to the other side because I'm right here. 2.
2. Mommy got 2.
1, 2.
Nope, mommy wants to do this.
Okay. Your turn, Mama.
1, 2.
Oh no,
turn.
my mom is going to win. Don't worry, I have 3 points. My mom have 5 points now. 2. 1, 2.
Okay.
Now I have 3 points just like my mom. Okay.
Put that card over there. We'll pick another card for mommy.
Okay. Oh yeah,
4. There's a yellow one over there. Count 4.
Okay. Count with me, guys.
1, 2, 3, 4. Nope.
5.
Just 4.
Okay. This is right here.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
Great counting, everyone.
Okay. Now you turn over a card.
5. I hope I get
Count 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
Great job, guys, for counting with me. 1.
Put that one down. Mommy's got home.
1. 1.
Okay.
11.
8.
8.
Count.
1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
9,
8.
8. 8 right here.
Mm-hmm.
I get there so fast.
Turn it over.
I hope it's not sorry.
1. Go 1 with mommy. The yellow.
1, 2.
Nope, just 1.
1 right here.
Mhm. Turn over another card.
My turn. I don't want my mom to put me back. Oh, there we go.
No, go 7. Count.
Okay.
1.
Count with me. 1, 2,
2, 3, 4, 5,
6,
7.
Oh, 7 right there.
Mm-hmm.
Right here.
Okay, pick another card.
So my turn again?
Nope, it's mommy's turn. You just went. Mommy got 10. So mommy's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And mama won! Thanks for watching!
Thanks for watching, bye!
Say if you like this game, I will link all the details in the description. Say don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Don't forget to like, comment,
And check me out at NoOneNationAdventures.com.
Bye!